Okay, let's learn how to achieve V front Rufus head wrap gele. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Today we are going to learn how to achieve V front for V shape at the front side. Seeing the way I take the pleating. I take this pleating, just focus your eye. I creating more pleating, but see the way I position my hand. I didn't put my hand in the middle. I put my hand in the side and cover one part of the ear, and the other side of the ear is open. And the measurement of this gele, of this material, the measurement of this style is 40-60. The short side is the 40. And make sure you use the shorter side. Once you position your hand, the shorter side will be the first part you will use to cover one part of the ear. This part first. Start with the shorter side to cover the ear. And that shorter side, if you want cross hand for back, now that shorter side I will go up for the back side. If you want to cross it, the longer part will go down, my people. So this one now, why I hold for my hand now, I'm working on the shorter part now. Now will take fair cover one ear for the beginning. So you cross it, the short one go up, the long one go down. So right now, make sure say you focus your eye and concentrate. You understand one or two things. So that short one will cross for the back side. Now we'll take over the other ear. But first, we'll just set up this side of it, which is the 60. Give your model to hold it for you. She's not my model, she's my correct customer. She's here for our photo shoot. Yes, my people, in case if you want to do photo shoot, I'm here for you. I'm based in United Kingdom. Okay, so right now this is the short one. The short one now, you now use it to cover this side of the ear. That is how you can achieve the V front. That is the secret how to create V for front. You create as many pleats you can, but make sure don't forget to reserve material to cover your back side later. That is how to run it. Now for the front side, you will now make sure the V is at the middle. You use the nose to calculate the middle. Now nose will tell the know where center day for forehead. Nose. So put your crossing, the V, let us day the middle for the front, and use pin to pin it after you manage to set that front up. Okay, my people, continue your concentration as I introduce myself, because this video it will soon finish. Before you finish, I need to introduce myself for all my video now, because I have too much question on my Facebook, YouTube, where you be, can you do this, can you do that? No, I will be saying many things on the video. So now I'm now working on the 60 now, my people. This 60 is what we are going to use on top. Once you manage to achieve the V front, you can use this 60 to do round. You can use this 60 to do fan. You can use this 60 to do any style you can like. But we are going to do round Rufus for the top. But just focus your eye. Okay, let me introduce myself for people that don't know me better. Yes, so thank you to all my customers for your support, all my followers throughout the year 2022. This year is our year of good news. This new year, happy new year once again. My name is Dead Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. I dey stay for UK. So one person say, now UK you dey stay. I say I base in United Kingdom. You say now UK. Now I say it's the same thing. UK is the United Kingdom. Not be outside London. I do. Me and they inside London. So you can, but I'm available to travel everywhere, all over the world. In fact, book me for your event. I am there for you to beautify you. Our service is, we are into many in one beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, different style and different type of makeup. Lard makeup, natural makeup, we give it to you the way you want it. We do the traditional bridal hair as well, okuku, the Edo bride okuku with beads. Yes, so like this, my beautiful auntie, she's here. Her first outfit was the Edo one, Edo beads okuku. This one are the third outfit, if I and the third one be this. So I'm available. We do many service. We do gele. We do for different tribe as well. You can use that bead hair to do your birthday photo shoot. She is here for her birthday. You can use it for your birthday photo shoot as well. But if in case you want to do your traditional marriage, I beg auntie, sister, in case the person who want to do marriage no know, you tell and say somebody is there to give you the traditional bridal hair so that you look like you are in our country, in your country. So that is it, my people. Yeah, my number is there towards the end part of this video. I will put my number there. Yes, if for my photo shoot, I always say to my people, before you book me, go and check my job on my Instagram, Facebook. If you like, you book me my photo for photo shoot. I have studio here in London, but I always tell people outside my studio, I don't do photo shoot. I can come to do every other thing, but we don't do photo shoot outside our studio because my camera is connected to the flash light in my studio. Okay, my people, I hope they enjoy the gist. Mona not dey in a rush. Mona listen to all the information concerning Deck Beauty. Yes, so my people, as well, we they say original makeup, good makeup, and all your perfume and the normal perfume as well. Operation do it yourself. Operation smell good. Operation package your face. So we are into all beauty. Yes. In case you want to know more how to tie gele on your head by yourself, everything regarding gele and makeup, follow me on subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I open another new YouTube channel for that reason, for more explanation, for chronic explanation. So the name of my new YouTube channel is Deck Beauty Life, because I always do live stream there. I have 2 YouTube. The name go there under this video, the description box. So, and I have 2 Facebook page as well. You can follow me on my Facebook. We always have fun there. But my auntie, my sister, my mommy, please, wherever you are watching this video from, Facebook, YouTube, in case you come across this video, you know, so you dey rush, don't come to my live stream. This is January. I don't want people to come there and start rushing me. Madam, don't talk. Madam, quick. Madam, my data won't finish. No, don't come. Just stick to my upload video. If you can't watch my upload video, say the 10 minutes is too much for you, go to my TikTok. 1 minute video day according to your strength and your data. But if you come to my live stream, I dey sit down there until me I tire. Sometimes I dey spend 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours until me I tire. Okay? If you know, so you feel come to my live stream on YouTube. Come to my live stream on Facebook. Depending where you are watching me from. Where they stay YouTube, they explain how you can position your hand and everything more detail. Come to my live stream, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you, everyone. Go and see my number there. Contact me for more information. If you want to book me, if you want to buy makeup product, perfume, you want to book me for your event, you want to do photo shoot. Yes, we do different type of photo shoot. All photo shoot, children photo shoot, husband and wife birthday photo shoot, every photo shoot. Yes, so thank you. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down for me. Share to your friends and family for them to know that at least Deck Beauty is here for London. I dey here for now. Yes, so thank you, everyone. This year is our year of good news. We have seen the starting of this year. We will see the end of this year in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Deck baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got